If it doesn't have anything to do with the child, but for a lot of you, I will say yes. This could just be this person wants to come back in, and they want a new beginning with you because you make them very happy. They definitely want things to improve with you. Tell me more. Some of you guys could have been dealing, oh, the Empress and the Emperor. Yeah, some of you, y'all not gonna make me cough today, Lord. Okay. Somebody is definitely dealing with a soulmate, possible twin flame situation. I feel like when you guys look at this person, you feel like there's no stability with them. You could be dealing with an Aries, but see, somebody wants a new beginning here. They definitely want to fix the situation. You know, they want to do whatever it takes to win back your trust, especially if there is a child involved here. And they're going to rush in really fast. They're coming in really fast. But see, this person is not positive that they can win you back because they messed up. See what I'm saying? Somebody could have been dealing with a Pisces, but yeah, this person is ready to express their truth. They're ready to come clean about something, but see, this person is just moving slow to do it. Tell me more. They're trying to decide. I feel like this person knows that they want to be with you, Taurus, or vice versa, but I feel like more so with the Two of Pentacles, they're trying to figure out how to approach you, you know, because they know that they messed up bad. It's like, should I call him or her? Oh, well, I'm probably blocked. Well, I can reach out, you know, to this person through social media. Dang, I'm blocked up there too. So who should I pop up? I don't know if that's a good idea. They're a little crazy. So they're just trying to figure out, you know, what's the best way of reaching out to you to speak their truth, to tell you. Because maybe some of you guys, I did hear some of you guys may not know about a pregnancy. Maybe you've been kind of like, did he or, you know, he get someone pregnant, or is she pregnant by someone else? You know, maybe your intuition was like just screaming at you. So maybe this is the truth that they have to bring to some of you guys. And they're having a hard time doing so. Yeah. I feel like you're disappointed because this person could have put you in some type of situation with someone else, third party situation, but I feel like they ended it. They've removed themselves out of it. But the thing is, I'm telling you, they're stuck at a crossroads. And it's not because they want to stay with this other person. They're trying to figure out how to come back towards you to speak their truth, to fix things. This person is keeping a close eye on you because they do want to start, the way this just came out, they want to start over and build with you. But at the same time, they feel like you're not going to because of the mess, the drama that they put you through. Somebody's dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. If not, this could be your energy, Taurus. Just saying that you're just trying to stay positive. Your head is held high. You're just trying to move forward with your life. And I feel like the person, whoever messed up here, they want to tell you what's going on. They want to speak their truth, but they just keep talking themselves out of it. I feel like they did learn their lesson. They're ready to move forward with you, but they're scared. This person is scared. Some of you guys could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra, but they definitely do not want you to cut them off. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. I'm telling you, there's a lot of fear here. This person is scared that they messed up for good and you will never take them back. See, this person wants to give you an offer, but they feel like you're not going to take it. And this is why they're keeping quiet. This is why they're not saying too much to you, because they're sad. And if there is a child involved here, this person is worrying about their finances because they feel like they're going to take a financial hit. Some of you guys could be dealing with another Taurus. Taurus, this could be your energy, just you're sad because of this news here about another child. Maybe, you know, you're like, I love this person, but I don't want to deal with this. I don't want to put myself in this situation. If this isn't you, this could be the other person feeling this way about you. Like, okay, I want to be with Taurus, but at the same time, I done put myself in a situation that now I don't know about my own stability. You know, how can I make sure, you know, I can take care of Taurus and myself and now possibly this child. For some of you guys, if there isn't a child involved, somebody could just be getting out of some type of relationship, commitment, marriage, something like that. But I just feel like somebody is taking a hit financially, either which way, however this is playing out. Yeah, because see, they were being sneaky in the past. So this is their karma. Justice. See what I'm saying? I'm telling you, somebody is going to court. If they're not in court now, I feel like somebody is being dragged into court. And it's either for some type of child support, somebody's getting a divorce. It's something like that. could be dealing with a Libra. Tell me about justice, please. I know that somebody here is looking for the truth in the situation, because I feel like, Taurus, if this isn't you, if you weren't the one who messed up and it was the other person, I feel like this person is trying to figure out how you feel about them. But at the same time, because they didn't put themselves in this mess, this is why they're not putting in the hard work to win you back, because they're trying to figure out if they do have to go to court, or if there is some type of money that has to be paid out. They want to get that aligned first, so that way when they come to you, they can give you all of the facts. See, this person is scared that they're not going to be able to have a victory with you at all. Yeah, see, somebody's definitely worried about their finances here, and they're scared that things may not improve with you. And because it's like your wall is up at this point, you know, and it's like, oh, that tried to come out, but it didn't. Yeah, your wall is up, and they're trying to figure out what to do at this point. They're trying to figure out how to even approach you with this mess, because they really want to be with you. See what I'm saying? Like, this person sees themselves being with you, Taurus. They want to marry you. They see the stability, they see it all. But there's somebody here that is standing in the way, and that could have been that third-party individual where if they were married, this person is trying to go after their money. If there's a child, they're trying to go after their money. It's something like that. And this person is like, why did I stick around? Why did I put myself in this situation? Or I stayed longer than I should have. Could be dealing with an Aquarius, but this person is trying to have hope, because, see, this person was confused in the past. They didn't know who they want to be with, what they wanted to do, and it's like now they see clearly. Now I know what I have to do to get Taurus back, or vice versa. See, this person definitely stabbed you in the back in the past, and they're really hoping that you can forgive them, because they're ready to take them to make that move. They're ready to move forward with you, Taurus. Could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. See what I'm saying? This person wants wish fulfillment with you. This person wants a family with you. They want to fix this. See? They want to balance things out with you. Tell me more. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But I'm going to be honest, just looking at this here, whoever that other individual was that they were dealing with, this person, I'm telling you, they're after their money. Like, that is the focus. This person is trying to figure out how to balance things out with them, and then trying to figure out how they can make things right with you. Let's see. Tell me more. Yeah, see? This person is trying to clear away obstacles before they come back. This is why they're being quiet, Taurus. See, they feel guilty. They feel guilty for everything that they put you through. And I feel like this person was like, they were just doing a lot for this other individual. So somebody, I'm telling you, somebody's after their money here. Because, see, at this point now, they want to come back to give you an offer, but they just feel like they're not going to take it. But this was a lesson that they had to go through. And see, right now, they're doing a lot of thinking, Taurus. Could be dealing with a Virgo. But at this point, this person definitely feels stuck in a situation that they feel like they can't get themselves out of. They feel like everything that you two work towards, it's not going to happen. They messed up. But I just feel like you guys aren't worried about it anymore. You're like, you know what? Whatever you got going on, that has nothing to do with me. I'm at the point where I'm moving on. Like, I can't do this. The way death just came out, somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. I feel like the one that messed up, they're definitely scared that you don't want them anymore, but at the same time, they're doing what they have to do to be with you. They know that everything that they were doing in the past, whether they were, you know, lying, cheating, you know, just whatever it was, they just cannot do that with you, because if they do that, coming back towards you, you're going to walk away from them. See? This person definitely wants a peace of mind with you. They want a peace of mind with their finances. I feel like if they are in some type of relationship, commitment, marriage, whatever it is, like, they are getting out of that situation. But at this point, they just don't know what to do when it comes to you. They tried to flip over. I'm not going to take that. See, somebody could be dealing with a Leo, but the way that came out, it's like they're trying to have the strength to approach you, but they really don't. They don't have it. It's like they don't know what to say, especially if some of you guys ask them, like, if there's a child or if they're in a relationship and they just lied to you. It's just, you know, they feel stupid right now. Like you guys just aren't, y'all ain't worried about it. Y'all are not worried about it at all. But this person that wants to come back to fix things, it's like they're no longer frustrated about it, and they're going to make the move to come back towards you to turn things around, because they do want to be with you. They love you. But see, they're scared you don't want to move forward with them. And they do not want you to walk away from them at all. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Cancer. Yep, somebody dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But this could be your energy to where it's like you guys are just upset. You're sad the way all this has been playing out. But at the same time, it's like your guard is up, like I was telling you before. You're no longer telling this person how you feel, what it is that you want. And you really do probably still love this person. You care about this person, but you're just tired of the BS. Yeah, you feel like this person is very childish. The person that you were dealing with could have been younger than you. And you just feel like there's just no balance with this person. Because, see, you were the one doing everything in a relationship and they were playing around. And it's like you're just constantly thinking about everything that took place in the past. This person has a hard time opening up and talking to you. They have a hard time showing their emotions and speaking their truth. And you're just disappointed in them. Just overall, regardless to whatever the situation is for you and your situation, it's like you're tired, you're disappointed, and you had to remove yourself out of the situation because you were tired of arguing. You were tired of going back and forth with this person because there wasn't a balance here. Somebody could have been dealing with the Gemini, but this person is going to come back to give you an offer. But I just feel like you guys are just focusing on yourselves. You're focusing on your own stability. Some of you guys are making plans to go back to school to get your degree, to learn something new here. I see you focusing on you. But this person's going to come back to give you an offer. But there's the Tower. I feel like the universe has shown this person something. Yep, look at that. 2 of Cups, I'm telling you. Good. Oh, this is going to be good. And I'm not even hearing the time frame because I wish I could tell you. But let's just see when this plays out. But if you're interested in a personal reading, please send me an email. I will leave the information in the description box. But that's what I have for you guys today. So I will talk to you soon. Love you guys. Bye. Bye.